dito na sila nun.
Nag-vlog. We're going out and we will
Alam,
go
ganda mo
to
ba?
eat.
Tignan mo yung sarili.
We are going to eat outside. And kumuha kami ng taxi kasi
Lata, ang ganda mo.
tamad kaming maglakad. Woohoo! Where do you want to eat chicken? Sige, tay. Asa man ka mga pitay?
Lunahan gamay.
Okay, tay.
May galeriya dapat.
Galleria. Oh, talay. Para makuha na tayo mga. Oh, may tatay. Wala kay barya sa 500 tay.
Itaon lo ay lupo. Dapat tanong pa.
100 rin ang ano rin tay. Pero pagbalik, saan magkakatay?
1, 2, 3.
Kaya 3.
Ang binang 3 tay, be. Oh, ano, tiga 200.
Okay, salamat tayo. God bless you ninyo.
Wala kayo sa among vlog tay.
Ah?
Nag-vlog ni tay.
Ang budaya.
First time I rode with him, he didn't have change for my 1,000 peso bill, so I just left the payment with the doorman since he's usually around where I live anyway. I only asked Tatay if he still remember me because I was the last passenger who asked the guard to hand over the money to him. We are here in Ivy Park and we're going to look for makakainan. What do you want?
We have dim sum, Jollibee, no, not Jollibee.
No, that's our food every day. Dark. How about there? Doon?
Or gusto mo ulit chicken?
O ano?
Sabi mo burger or pizza?
Kasi pumunta tayo dyan nung nakaraan.
Ayaw ko ng pizza. If dyan na pizza, wag na lang.
Wala nga eh. Hanap tayo.
Open?
I think so. Tara, punta tayo doon. Mag-ask tayo. Ay, open na lang dito. Saan tayo magsimula? Here.
Ayun. Ano lang? Ano, di tayo ikot doon? Dito tayo para kung ganito lang. Di ko film magkakalit. Yan ayun pa. Ako po lang. Bili muna tayo drink. Ano? Ayoko. Asa ka? Dito. Ito lang yung alam ko. Ha? Ito yung alam ko masarap. Ha? Yun lang yung alam ko masarap. Dito? Oo. Gusto mo dito? Ikaw. Marami pang pagpipili. Ano mo na tayo? Dali na kasi mag-go. More straight. Powell, that's thank you. Three. Ito, by drinks. It's by drinks. Rate mo nga yung drink mo, ta?
7 out of 10.
What's 7 out of 10?
It is because madami siyang yelo. Pero kung uhaw na uhaw ka na talaga, okay lang naman siya. 150 I guess, right? This is 150 pesos.
138.
138 pa.
Ito yung akin, 158.
Pwede pa tikim.
Sige, masarap.
Kunin ko yung straw ko. At may style talaga yung mga drinks.
Sarap.
I like it. Ayoko yung mga lasa ng mga iniinom niya matcha. Not for me. Siguro masarap sa iba. But for me, it is. Maraming pagkain dito, guys. Actually, marami kang pagpipilian kasi as in, marami talaga like, merong Korean food, may Japanese food. But of course, most of the food here is Filipino food. Kaya kung gusto nyo makapili ng kahit ano sa gusto nyo kainin, punta lang kayo here sa IT Park, Cebu City. Sogbo Mercado, no? Sogbo Mercado, Cebu City. Ta-da! And here's our order. I was craving grilled squid with sunny side up egg, while Gian ordered pork steak with sunny side up egg too. Both well done, just the way we liked it. I feel more comfortable here in Cebu compared to Manila. I prefer living here because if I want to go to the beach, I can get there easily. And if I want to be in nature, it's also nearby. That's why it feels so good living here. Here in Cebu, there are so many food options and everything is really affordable. One of the things I really love here is that aside from the cheap and good food, the people are also genuinely kind and welcoming. That's it for tonight, guys. This is Irene signing off, feeling beautiful, pretty, sexy, smart, and kind. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe.